Hello my little honey vlogs and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something super exciting. It is Valentine's Day. So we are opening up, well, it's not Valentine's Day today. This is the day before Valentine's Day. But my Sugar and Sloth box arrived today and I was thinking in the back of my mind, I do believe that this is Valentine's themed. So we're going to open this up for you. If you've never heard of Sugar and Sloth before, I'll explain a little bit about what they do. But welcome in, of course. My name is Princess. I make cute, pink and light-hearted content here on the channel. If you love princess aesthetics, pink stuff and adorable little unboxings, you're going to love this channel. Make sure that you subscribe below. But yeah, let's just get right into this box. Shall we show you? Shall we show you what it looks like? And this is us. Look at us go. Woo! Can you hear that? Can you hear the tippy tappy on the box? So this is the Tiny Hug Club. So this is a subscription box that happens every single month, and inside Sugar and Sloth make these incredible cute little animals that have motivational messages and adorable stationery. Now I've really started to get into journaling recently, I know. So you'll be seeing a little bit of that on this channel more, but I just wanted to share this one with you as like a Valentine's, let's do it all together. And of course I got my lovely nails done. Can you see those? Look at those. Aren't they nice? So yeah, let's get into this. I have cut open the very first section, but it's very, very sweet already. And here we are. Look at that. So we have our cute little frog friend on the front here, holding everything together as per usual. The thing with Sugar and Sloth, what I love about these boxes is that on every single little tab, look at this, every single little piece has something a little bit special about it. And that's what I love about these boxes. All right, let's get in. So... oh my goodness. Okay, so just to clarify, I always purchase the XL box. For these, I want as many things as I can get from Sugar and Sloth. It's one of my favorite stores ever. So that's why, if you see so many things, that's why there's so many things. Shall I turn it on its side? Would it be better that way? Can you see it better this way? Does that work well for you? I don't know. Let's put, do you know what? I'll hold that down on that one side. I'll put a little paperweight on it. Okay, so inside the box, ooh, I'm so excited! Okay, so inside of the box already I'm seeing some pens. We're seeing this here. It usually comes with an enamel pin, which I collect these enamel pins. I'm very excited. And then this, which I'm not quite sure what this is, but I'm very excited to take a look. Right, shall we get into this here? The little pin pack. What is this? So let's open this up. You're going to see me use my nails as tools. Don't use your nails as tools, people who wear long nails. Don't do what I do. Do as I say, not as I do. In the most loving way possible. So we've got two of those heart stoppers on the back. So it's definitely an enamel pin. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Can you see this? So cute. It says utterly content. And it's a little otter with his fish friend. Little flowers in their hair. Oh my goodness. I love that this looks like a cameo almost. Like those Victorian pieces of jewelry. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow, 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 wow. With the pink and the purple, this goes totally with my style, right? This goes very with my style. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Where should I put everything? Up here. That's what I should do. Once it's done, I'll pop it up here. Okay, so then we have this little notepad. So there's lots of pages. There always are in Sugar and Sloth stationery. I kind of love how many pages they have. I have quite a lot of their other notebooks. So this is another one that I have just on my desk. This one, it has, I must not get distracted, Google this later. And again, I've used this already, but, you know, still lots of pages left. But this one, it says, utterly in love with me. Oh, I picked up what's underneath. Utterly in love with me. How cute's that? So in here, you've got your little notes, the date. So this seems to be like an affirmation type thing. A reason that I'm amazing today. I love that. And a self-care for today. So something nice that you're going to do for yourself. Oh my goodness, I might actually use this. This is kind of great. I am so bad at doing like a little bit of a self-care thing each day just for me. It's more like I kind of have to do it because everybody else, or I've got work, or whatever the reason is. And the reason that I'm amazing today, that's a great thing to think about. And I guess it kind of, it makes you journal, right? It makes you do that introspection every day. How sweet. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, then we have our next item. which is our postcards. I've done quite a few shorts, I do believe, of me writing these. And basically how it works is that you go into the back here and you write your little message, and then you send it to the address, the Sugar and Sloth address, and that will then mean that this card will get put in with someone else's box, so you might receive a postcard. Isn't that so cool? It's such a cool idea. I love this postcard. Keep watering yourself. You're growing. I often say, I'm like a little flower. I need to be watered. I need to be looked after and kept, you know? I am like a little flower. Okay, so this is the information about the box. And this particular box is called Otterly in Love with Me. I love the two little otters. You got a lobster in there as well. Friends reference, obligatory. Look at all this. Oh my goodness. And it does have all of the different options that you can get, all of the different things that that are in this box. I'm going to try not to read. I'm looking up at the screen instead. So, next thing. Da da da! Look at this. Otterly in love with me! With me! Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness. What a baby. What a sweet baby. I love this. That's so cute. Oh, I might have just completely skipped. There you go. Oh, so cute. Boop, 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 boop. Yes, that is definitely going on the front of my little... I have a card planner that has my Labubu cards and my collection of these cards, which I'll show you at a different point. But I collect these cards. I love them. I think they're so fun. So they all have different little stats, and then they have their likes and dislikes down the bottom, which I love. So this is Harold the hamster. Has a relatively low mischief, but lots of huggability, lots of snagginess, lots and lots of adventure, and eavesdropping in cafes. Oh my gosh. My brain is like canapes. I'm so hungry. Special skill, judging font menu choices. I feel that on a personal level, Harold. I do. I also judge. I judge whole restaurants based on their font. Outside, it's really bad. Terrible, terrible. Okay, so let's have a look at these pens. They drew us in immediately, but we're going to pretend we didn't see them. So we have this blue one, which says, "This pen believes in you." I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's try and get it so you can see it. Probably, but not an amazing... Is that better? Oh my gosh, it is. I'm doing the YouTuber thing. I'm so sorry. But this pen believes in you. Isn't that cute? So this one's a blue one, and then there's a purple one, which says... take life one doodle at a time. How cute's that? Take life one doodle at a time. And it doesn't have the clippy thing, which means I can't break it off, I guess. I'm one of those people. But they are grippy. They have some proper grip to them. I wonder if they are... Oh my gosh, the click. Oh my gosh, I wonder if they are good for drawing, since one of them is doodle. And one side... So here's the thing, I'm left-handed. So you're going to have to excuse the left-handedness. But when you write left-handed, oftentimes you can become quite cramped in here. But this one, because it's got a flat top, your finger just rests on the top there. You're not doing all this gubbins. So yeah, left-handed people, these could be good pens for you. There you go. The grippy is just good for everybody though. And then of course each box you get a little calendar, and in here it says, "Tell that stupid voice in your head to pipe down." I like that a lot. That's so cute. And look at that artwork. It's the same artwork that's on here, so if you wanted to you could do the exact colors that are on here, but I can't remember if it's this one or another coloring page that Sugar and Sloth hold a competition each month to kind of show off everybody's creation. So yeah, watch out for that if you see that. But yeah, I love these. I think they're so fun. And of course, you know, the wonderful calendar on the back. So cute. And I like that it has the month up here and the days are not filled in. So if you want to do a different month for this, so if you wanted to do this for I don't know, September or something, you could and fill it out the way that you want. I love that. That's wonderful. Always looking to do new things. Look at me go. And there it is. Oh my gosh, there it is again. So this one, let me check. Yes, it is indeed a lovely thick print, and occasionally these come out. I love them. I have quite a few, and I'm hoping to kind of fill my wall with them at some point once I manage to get frames for them all. So yeah, and it's that tell your stupid voice to pipe down. I love that. And yeah, it's just a cute little print that you get at the end. But it's just very nice quality. It's very nice quality. I love it. Okay, so we've got some seriously good goodies in here. Oh my gosh, this month was an absolute banger. Okay, so this is everything that we got in the box. What do you think? What did you guys think? I really loved this. I love this little box anyway, but I don't know. This particular one being Valentine's themed, it makes me very happy. The enamel pin is the standout, I think, even though I really do love these pens. I really do. The grippy is so nice. Even though they're not in my colours, that is fine. I'm happy to use things that aren't my colours. And of course, this amazing notepad that I think I am actually going to use this. I think this is the thing, is that sometimes I get little things in boxes and I'm just not too sure, will I actually use that? But I feel like I will use this. I'll try and use this every day. Do you know what? I will make it right now. I will say in my heart of hearts, I'm going to try and use this every day. Okay, well, this was our little haul of everything from the Sugar and Sloth box. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you have a wonderful Valentine's Day ahead, even if you're spending it alone or with somebody or with your friends or family. I really hope you have a wonderful day. Valentine's, in my opinion, is for you, to feel the love around you, to have love for yourself. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for coming along on my journey today whilst we unbox this box. I hope you all have a wonderful day ahead, and we'll see you all again in the next video. Bye-bye!